Hey guys, so to get started, we need a A4 size paper. I'm using Ivory Sheet and we are going to fold it into half. I'm going to make my card in a square. So I'm going to cut the axis and going to make it a square. So we have got our square card, and now for the next step I'm going to use my pattern paper. I'm going to place it over my first half and I'm going to trace it and cut it. Oh, by the way, it's the sunflower sheet from my summer blossom collection. It's available on my Instagram. I will share the link in my description. So now I'm going to place my pattern paper over my card and I'm going to use my double-sided tape instead of glue because it gives a very clean look to the card and does not smudge the paper. Now we have got our pattern paper pasted and now let's move to our next step. Now I'm going to use my circle die cut and going to cut a circle in between my first half where I pasted the pattern paper. Oh, before that just fold the first half where you pasted the pattern paper into half. Now let's cut a circle. I'm using this doctor tape for securing the die and it does not tear up the paper. The glue is very light. And here we go, our first half of the card is ready. And for the next half, I'm going to use this yellow color sheet. It's again from my summer blossom collection and it's available on my Instagram. Link is in the description. Now I'm going to place this over my card again using my thin double-sided tape, and here we go. Now comes the spinner part. Now for the spinner part, I'm going to use these beautiful butterflies from my butterfly collection, and it's available on my Instagram. So I'm going to place it one over the another using my double-sided tape, and before sticking it together, I'm going to use a thin thread and place it in between. So I have placed my thread in between. Now I'm going to stick the other butterfly over this one. Now turn your cards backward, and we are going to place it here using our double-sided tape. I'm going to place the double-sided tape over the thread on the crease lines. Make sure the thread is straight and not curved, and now let's spin the butterfly and see. So it's spinning great, and now let's cut off the extra thread. Now I'm going to cut a circle one size smaller than the circle we created in the first half, again using my circle die cut and on the sunflower sheet. Now I'm going to stick this using my double-sided tape on the other half of the card so that it appears to be just behind the butterfly. Now let's decorate our card using some stickers. I got these stickers from a nearby store and I don't know if they are available online. So I'm going to use these stickers for decorating my card. Now I'm going to write Happy Mother's Day. And it's done. I'm loving it. I hope you love it too. Do let me know your views in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.